Good morning, student. Myself, Shankar Singh, math teacher in Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today, I teach you Chapter 6, Exercise 06, Euclid Geometry, Introduction. In Euclid Geometry, many mathematicians are given in the field of geometry. In some names of Aryabhat, Pythagoras, and now Brahmagupta are given the properties of geometry. So now in modern mathematician, that is Euclid, are also given some postulates. Postulates are the proof of the geometry, that is name of postulate in the geometric field. And now axiom is the basic fact which are taken for granted without proof are called axiom, but postulated are the given proof of that geometry that is postulated. So two things are, that is postulated and axiom. Postulated in, that is given proof, and axiom are not given, without proof are using. Okay, so these types of the proof are given, that is the axiom. So postulated are given that is the proof. And now some statements are given, a sentence which can be judged to be true or false is called, say, a statement. So that is the statement. Now given Euclid postulated, that is a straight line may drawn from any point to another point. So that is any point, that is given Euclid. That is Euclid, that is Euclid is given postulates, that is, first is a straight line may be drawn from any point to other point. So these point to these point, these point to these point, these point to these point. So a straight line may be drawn any point to another point. Now second postulate is given, that is the name of, that is the terminated line can be produced infinitely, means that line is produced infinity, means that is infinitely produced, that is given proof. So that proof name is postulated, and no proof given, that is name of axiom. Now third is a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. A circle can drawn with any radius and any center. Is that center, is that center, is that center, his radius is his radius, and that radius. So any circle is drawn with his center is changed and radius is changed and shape is changed also. Now fourth postulates are given, that is all right angles are equal to one another, means all right angles means 90-degree angles that are equal to one and another, means one thing is equal, then another thing is also equal. So next five is postulate is given, if a straight line falling 1 to a straight line makes the interior angles, so that interior angles to a straight line, that is taken one straight line and one straight line, that is the interior angles, that interior angle, that is interior angle, that is name of interior angle, and that is name of exterior angle, exterior angle. So these angles, so say to, if a straight line falling on to a straight line meet to, that is interior angle, also interior angle inside, that is meet to each other at any point, that is always less than, that is always less than 180 degree, means that is name of two right angles. This angle is always less than two right angle when the two straight line are not parallel, then the interior angle is less than two right angles. That is the fifth number of postulates of Euclid. So given 5 postulates of Euclid. First is a straight line may be drawn any point to any other point. Second is terminated line can be produced infinitely. Third is a circle can be drawn any radius, any center and any diameter. And fourth one is all right angle are equal to one and another, means any right angle is equal 90 degree. And now fifth postulate is given, that is the two straight line when meet to each other then not parallel, then interior angle is always less than sum of two right angles. That is given 5 postulate of Euclid. Now given the 1 point to draw many lines and 2 points to draw a straight line, two lines are cut together, that is vertically opposite angles are equal, intersecting line, that is name of intersecting line. Concurrent lines means that is passing through at a point, that is concurrent line. So these types of given the postulate and solve the chapter. Okay, thank you.